ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? It's Monday. It's funny, I was looking at the current view count. As soon as I hit the camera to no longer be starting soon, drop one. I get it. You see this face, you run. I get it. I get it. But it is Monday, and we're back to doing game dev. You guys had a lovely weekend. We're continuing to rework our backend, I guess it's called, in programming, I think, where we're making things a lot more streamlined and clean. So that's the plan right now, and so we will continue with the plan. I think last time we did weapons, and they're working now. But I think it's not quite working with the enemy attacks. I still want to rework the enemy attacks. Yes. Okay. Oh, and well, set up the alt attacks and all that. So. Let's go to where we were. If I recall, let's do a little quick test here. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's just no light in there. That's fine. Oh, all right. Because I was testing this. Yes. I was testing the projectile. So all of this is working. I just need to turn off the melee trace. I don't need it right now. Okay. Here's what I want to do. Right now, the enemies are not using the combo attack system, which means they're doing random attacks. I want them to also be able to use the combo attack system. So, which will require a different setup. The combo attack system meaning that you'll do like in order. They'll do attacks. So, what I need to do basically is on the execute attack. Execute attack? No. Is the attack combo? Where's the attack combo? Floor damage. Attack combo. Why is attack combo like? Okay, so right, we go based off of this alt attack combo. Alt attack. So this is triggered where? Event, attack combo increment, attack combo. It's triggered from the if I go to you here, hey, Mangaruki, welcome in. It's going well. How are you? Happy Monday. It's here. So I send the input here. Yeah. All is fine. Happy. Good. I need to set combo trigger to be true on enemies, probably. Or automatically set combo to true on enemies on a timer. Otherwise, they're not gonna increment it each time. So if it's not attack combo, increment attack combo. Hold on. I have this. Why do I have vent combo increment and then Wait a second. Close you for now. Close you. If I go back here, attack combo increment. Okay, that's this one. Turns to true and false. Got it. So that's this one. And if this is true, as this is not true, and this is, so this is not true, and combo is true. Attack combo. This doesn't store if it's an alt attack combo. Because this doesn't store. Okay. How do we where do we store that it's a ranged attack? I don't think we need to store if it's a ranged attack. I think we should be able to like get that information. But the problem is we need to get that information before we play the animation. Because the animation, right, is where we store what it is, the attack type of that attack. If I want it to be an alt attack, how do we specify? I mean, alt attack we can specify manually when we're doing this, which is fine. Because if I did here, I did alt attack, right? It's not gonna do anything. Right? Excuse me. Refresh notes. Why is it ranged? Oh, is it because I didn't compile this? Is that why it's like refresh notes? There we go. Okay. Had to recompile both. We're fine. If I did alt attack combo now. Nothing will play because because I have no animations, it breaks things. Hold on. I need to check if it's valid or not. Yeah, here I'm just getting it. I need to check first if it's valid. Is valid. If it's valid, continue on. Otherwise, just stop executing. So now he's doing this. But if I turn on Alt, then he just won't do anything. Okay. If I want to test out on the enemy, let's test out on her. Okay, let's have her be the guinea pig. Hey, you guts, hap sing, welcome in. How's it going, guys? I'm doing well. Hope you're doing as well. It's interesting to keep up the good work. Well, thank you. I will try. For enemies. Okay, well, let's test. Okay, let's go to the blueprints. AI, behavior trees. No behavior. Tasks. Actually, no. Let's go behavior trees. I need. I believe it's ranged. Which is this one. Let's confirm. Yep. Okay. Saying hello. So right now we're playing an animation and doing all that good stuff. Instead of playing the animation, what if I had it I'd want to do, what's it called? Attack combo. And then let's just give it like a delay for now. Like a second. And then say success. Of course, you did that one first. Ooh, okay, so this is not doing anything for her. You're taking a nap and you're just passing to say hi? You're tired today? All good. I mean, it's late for you. You go to bed. You don't need to take a nap that late. Just go to sleep. Get a good night's rest. It's probably good for you. Okay, so that does trigger, but it's failing here. Why is it failing here? If I look at her attack animations. Oh, I have it in alt attack animation. That's why. Let's add it to the regular one. Okay, now she's doing it. Okay. So. Okay, here's... Okay. I need to test not on you. I need to test somebody that has multiple attacks. So let's test on you. Because you have 3 attacks. Okay. Right. Also, let's turn off that trace. Right, so we could trace on test on you. For now, I'll plug this back in as it was. Let's go back to the behavior trees. We need melee. Jump attack sequence. Okay. So here, again, we're playing this, but instead of playing this, I also need to... Okay. I'll break the pause attack thing, which is fine for now, for testing. So this, you know, they'll no longer do pause attacks, but or launch at me. That's okay. So he's doing it. But now I want him to also he's doing the same animation every time. Right? Combo Set combo triggered. I can do that before this. True. Would this work? Okay, 1. No. Oh, hold on. Does your do I even have the combo trigger set up for you? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What I need to do, basically... increase attack. Where is this used? Wait, just here? No. Ah, okay. So I do it on my own. Okay. I don't remember why I have this. So theoretically, I can go instead of this. I can increment attack combo. Hey May, welcome in. How's it going? Doing well? I might used to do the combo success. Yeah. Set combo triggered. True. Why? Why you like this? This wasn't designed to use with them, but what is going on there? That's odd. You had a long nap after school, so you're feeling refreshed? Nice. I didn't have any naps today, so I'm less refreshed, but still pretty good. Where's this triggered? It's triggered here. I'm resetting it during the attack combo. Ah, it's because I'm still using weapon info here. So here... I need this. Oh, I need to see not to get yeah, I need to get this, check if it's last index. Remove this. and then increment. Oculus with the raid. Welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, everyone. How's it going? How's it going? How was your stream? I was lurking a little bit during it. Saw a bit of the goodies. Welcome in, everyone. Enemy AI leveled up. Nice. I'm currently kind of working on AI as well. I am transferring everything to use data tables. And now I want the enemies to also use my same combo system, ideally. They're not currently using my combo system that I have for my player, but you know, hopefully they will be. But for all of you coming in, this is my little solo project. It's Binding of Isaac, Hades, ARPG, 2.5D craziness. Things are not currently balanced as I'm testing out pack spawning and everything else. But so we have way too many enemies and not enough damage. But testing out, giving myself different attacks and things. Basically, later on, we already have these abilities that will stack with our player. For example, we can get greater multi-attack, and we can get piercing attacks, and let's get shockwaves. And now when I attack, it's more attacks, and the attacks knock things back. So things here like Binding of Isaac all stacks. And when I have done enough damage and the bottom bar fills up fully, we get a portal to the boss. So you don't have to find the boss. You can just basically spill enough blood is the idea. And once you've spilled enough blood, the portal to the boss opens up, where you can then fight them and go to the next room. But right now, we're kind of reworking the entire system to actually use, hopefully, like maybe a combo attack for the enemies as an option. Oh, right. Yeah, they don't do anything right now because it's not set up for them yet. Whoops. Yeah, I broke lots of stuff. Also, it's very dark. There we go. That's better. So right now, I'm trying to see, because for my character, when I attack, assuming I give myself the right weapon, ooh, I broke things. I broke things a lot. My own combo system doesn't work. Well, that's why it doesn't work for the enemies. I broke it for myself. What the hell did I do? It's because of this, isn't it? What did I do? Why is my max 1? Where's my weapons? I have 2 here. Check the game tags. I did. Game tags are fine. I got 2. Why be this way? So, we're currently changing everything up, and so things are breaking. When I do the attack combo, the combo's triggered. It's a combo trigger to false. The attack animations. Hold on. Am I getting the right animations for him? Light Sword 1. So it is getting the right animation. The other thing that's interesting is it's letting me spam. Which shouldn't be possible. Something's going on. What did I do? Spam. I've genuinely have never eaten spam. I know a lot of people are like spam, and some other people are like, oh, spam is the worst thing in the world. I've never in my life have eaten spam. I'm in neither camp. I don't know why some people hate it. I don't know why people like it. I know some people don't like bologna. I love bologna. Bologna's great. It's another one of those like highly processed meats. Here we should be setting as attacking to be true, which means I shouldn't be able to. Yeah, we are. So how am I able to attack? Hold on a second. Can't attack. I should not be able to attack while I'm attacking. It's there. Oh, what? Hold on. If I spam it, it doesn't trigger my click. But I'm somehow still attacking. There's a spam museum in Minnesota, which explains a lot about both spam and Minnesota. Welcome in the other Zek. Have you been to this museum? I've never had spam nor been to Minnesota, so I don't fully know either one. It's because of incremental attack combo? How the hell am I attacking? What if I did a do once here? You went once about 20 years ago? It's probably a place you gotta go once. Okay. So I can only do it once. So it is triggering every time. But... Hey, Miss Spaghetti, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Do once. What the hell? During the animation of it, I can What did I do? This wasn't possible before. I broke things. I broke things. Okay. Ain't enough free samples that you didn't need lunch. 7 out of 10. We'll go again if you get banished to Minnesota. I mean, there are worse things. You could be banished to Ohio, right? Menu stairs video is also, thank you. There's a lot of things on that I would like to have changed and do differently in terms of like, I want to put the controls on, like the stairs and stuff like that, but that's like, maybe next video, so we can figure that stuff out. That's the hope. Because you need to be able to add stairs and elevators in any building. And I also need to figure out how the hell to rotate a mesh, and then set bounds based on the rotation and all that good stuff.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Ads time. This is being triggered. It's just... Just a combo used to only happen here at the end. Oh, it's because I'm cancelled as well. I might need to just uncheck this. Nope. How the hell? I broke things. We'll wait for ads. Here we wait for ads. So you don't miss anything, so you don't feel like you have to throw money at me. But if you want to throw Bezos' money in terms of primes, I'm not going to say no. I need to figure out. I mean, here it's hey, Christian, welcome in. What? It's free money. It's you're losing now you're losing more than 17 cents a day by not using Prime. You don't have to use it on me. Use it on somebody. Hey Benji, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so this keeps triggering. This attack combo keeps triggering. How? No. No. I need not attack combo increment. I want attack combo. I trigger it here. Ah. There we go. Okay. Okay. That's fixed, which I still don't understand what I was doing here. I think this was done for another system that I'm no longer using. Then the question here is, why does this return 1 when there are 2? You're working on Unreal Engine model? Nice. Day's been going well. Trying to figure out why it's reading 1 in an array when there's 2 in an array. Here's a question. If I put this 2 in the first slot, what the hell? 2. There we go, in the first slot. Is it going to be reading that second one? Or is it going to think it's still the first one? If it's still the first one, then we know that at least it's not getting it from there. It's getting it from somewhere else. No, it's getting 2. So it is getting the right array. Oh, so that means... Hold on a second. Hey, index returns 0. Yeah, I'm getting that. Yeah, the length of this... should be 2. It's not like I'm changing anything here. I'm not removing anything from the array. I'm not doing anything. It's not... Oh, now it's 2. Was it drunk? I didn't change anything. It was stuck on 1 here for some reason. Like, I had to, like, exit out and do that. But, okay. Okay. We're making progress, though. Confusingly so. Print this. It's false. So this doesn't match. What is my attack index? Oh, my attack index isn't incrementing. But it's false. But it's false. Okay, so I'm resetting it. I'm checking if combo triggered. If it's not, then okay, this is being triggered. This is false. I understand. I broke the combo trigger part. No, I didn't. Okay. Where is this being set? We're using it there. There. Setting it there. Setting it there. We're doing a reset attack combo trigger here. Where are we doing this? We're doing this on... Oh, why the shit am I doing a resetting? Why am I resetting my combo every time I start the combo? This was working. Before I did my rework of this, I just prefaced this. This was all working without issues. How was it working without issues? What the hell did I do? What kind of black magic did I do before that had it actually work? Because basically, I have an attack combo, right? And when I attack, I increase the combo number. But every time I attacked, it was setting it to 0. I was doing some black magic crap. Hey, look. Hey, look, that is working. So do this way, right? Forward and back. Forward, wait, forward, wait, forward. But if I spam, I do down and then up, down and then up, down and then up. Got a question. So I've been working on PCG Forest for one level, made another one where you're bring everything together, but the PCG volume is not displaying the forest you created. A test level was using a landscape, and a new level I made was also using a landscape. Not sure what PCG doesn't want to show in the new level. What are you doing to... Yeah, check the landscape sampler. And where are you... Or how are you getting the points onto the landscape? Are you using the projection node? Because the projection node has a little caveat to it that is an annoying caveat. If I'll do basically let's make a look at PCG. When you use the projection node, right? And then you project a target, let's say, is get landscape data, right? Oh, sorry, not with the projection node. I was thinking of the get world rate hit query that has the awkward thing. I would need to see your graph. But that is odd that it's working in one, but it's not working in another. Depending on how you're doing it, check things like, because because if you're using something like world ray hit query, is this one? Wait, is it changed? Am I crazy or? Oh, has it changed in 5 in the newest versions? Wait, project positions. Project scales, yeah. Where are... There used to be settings for distance and positioning in 5.3. They might have finally removed that because it was super annoying in 5.3. That's a good change if that's they did that. Check the landscape sampler. Check also must overlap self. That can throw you off for landscape data. Don't use the yeah, you don't want there's no input node of the landscape thing doesn't exist anymore here. That's in the previous versions. Now you just get landscape data as I did. But yeah, I would need feel free to throw it in the Discord. We have a PCG section. Hey Dylan, welcome in. You see another game developer on Unreal maybe watching you will help me with walls you've run into. What kind of walls? Are they short walls? Are they invisible walls? Are they tall walls? Are they disappearing walls? What kind of walls we're talking about? We have so many walls. Yeah, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Okay. Let me go to you. So when this turns off, oh, I understand what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do is when it turns off, I want to immediately attack. That's what I was doing here. Not here. Here. Basically, if I trigger the combo at the end of my combo trigger, not the end of the animation, attack again. So then the question is, why was I able to spam it? Oh, now there you go. So now it's working correctly. I don't know. Whatever. You know, my system's working back. It's being good. Basically, the way my system works, now that it's working again properly, is like following. So I have two attacks, a 2-attack combo, right? So I have this animation, and I have animation in reverse, where it's going from down upwards, right? If you press the attack combo button during this time frame, then instead of it waiting for the rest of the animation, at the end of this combo trigger time, it will automatically play the next animation. So you bypass this. Right, it's the same thing in both. So for example, if I spam it right now, right, you can see how fast I'm attacking. And if I set this to be like 10 and 10, just make this longer. You can see now there's a little bit of an extra delay there. I'm probably going to cut the difference, honestly, looking at it. Right, so this allows me to basically kind of spam it and be fine. But now that's working, we can now go back to fixing this for the AI, or trying to get this to work for the AI. Trying to implement animations so you play prior to the pause game function, but everything you've thought of hasn't seemed to work. You want animations to play prior. What do you mean? Like you want the animation to play, finish playing, and then you pause? Is that what you're saying? Because then you can do it based on a montage, and do it like when the montage completes, then you pause game. Something like that. So, I'll show you. Is it just anim montage? No, it's play montage. If you do play montage, not play anim montage. Play anim montage doesn't have all this, like outputs, but a regular play montage, you still play animations, but you have uncompleted, uninterrupted, unnotify begin. You could add a notify. You can check what notify it is. So for example, here, like I have, I can add like a, real quick, add notify, right? I can add a notify. And basically I can be like, hey, is that notify name equal to the notify I care about? And then, cool, if it is incomplete and it's uncompleted, then, or pause. You're playing a pause menu where the first person player raises a journal to their face. The journal is the pause menu. Oh yeah, then right here, just play the montage, play whatever, you know, your animation is going to be, whatever it is, and on completed, when the animation finishes, set game paused. And then, you know, convert, do UI or whatever, you know. Tempo more game UI only, right? Add widget, you know, whatever else you need to do, etc. But you just do it from montage uncompleted. And that should be like nice and simple. I don't know if you haven't thought of that. Animations are still new. Oh, don't worry about it. Yeah, there's like lots to like figure out. Hey, look at that. He's doing well, he's doing okay. He needs to do things differently. So when for his system, we don't want to increment attack combo. Or we don't want to. I might need to do it on a behavior tree, add a global variable where it's like keep track of the attack count. But Get combo. Get attack. What's it called? Attack index. Why can't I get attack index? That's not a that's a global variable. Joins live stream, immediately gets solution, the channel is gold. I mean, that doesn't always happen, to be fair. You know, don't expect it to happen 100% of the time. Oh, this needs to be enemy. Yes, 2P enemy. Yeah, that doesn't happen always. Like the one right for Benji, I didn't solve that immediately. For that one, I would need to see like the graph and stuff. So I can't give myself all the credit on that one. Why can I not get attack index from this? That's odd. Oh, it's private. Oopsie. Set attack index. Actually no. Yes, attack index. Will that work? Probably not. No. Going off that, how could I add it so you can make selections in the menu? The player flips pages in the journal. You can't set the game to be paused if you want animations or any time-based things to happen. The game cannot be paused. What you can do is set time dilation to 0, I believe. I don't... you would need to do set time dilation on everything except your character, basically. Because you could do set time... do it on here. Set global time dilation and set actor time dilation. So basically, default is 1, I believe. You want to set to 0, effectively anything will stop at 0. Nothing will move. But if your actor, after you set the global one, I believe you could do set actor time dilation to 1 on your character. And then it will play things normally. Because this will also slow down everything. Like animations including. Time like 0.01. No. I think this should work. You do your character's time dilation after the global one. It might work. It might not. I'm not 100%. Or you can do what Ms. Presgetti is suggesting and you could change the global one to like 0.01 and set the animation play rate to like, 1,000 to counteract that, or 100. But it's not a great solution. I would try that. Yeah, I need to play around with that. I haven't needed to do it, but yeah, setting game to pause does not allow you to even do any event text animations. Event tick doesn't run because it's paused, basically. Timers don't work. No, event tick still works. But timers don't work. Your solution sucks? No, it doesn't. If the solution works, it doesn't suck. And I think your solution would work. You probably need to use like smaller / bigger numbers. But I don't think your solutions, suck just because of that. Oh, it's because combo triggered is false. So I need to increment it. Set combo triggered true. Ah, but this will make him attack twice.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Yeah, that's not working anyway. Okay, we're going to do a separate system for enemy / AI then. You're trying, Ellen? You posted in the PCG help? Let's see if I can spot something. Okay, so you're in 5.3 then, right? What version are you in? 5.3? 5.2? Okay. And it works on one landscape, but it doesn't work on another? Here's why. Move your landscape where it doesn't work and everything and your graph down. Just try that real quick for me. Hey, Mordbort, welcome in. Oh, thank you. I'm glad they have glad they helped you. Wherever if you're a new landscape, if you happen to have it higher up in verticality, move it down with your graph, obviously. I bet it'll start working. If it does, I'll tell you why. First time, Pari told me, you have to mess around with it. Slow idea worked. That's the first. Oh, nice. Hey, Ali Stumper, welcome in. Hey, we're back. Back? Did you leave? Might only be able to get it to work with the game paused, but not paused. Yeah, give the illusion of pause. Exactly. Oh yeah, absolutely, Mormort. Yes, move the actual landscape mesh down, and move your basically right. If your landscape if your like setup is in the new system is here, and your old system was here, move it down. Move your system down to be like around 0 or like a little bit below 0, I believe. I bet it'll work. Or I'm guessing it'll work, and if it does, I'll tell you why. Okay, so we need to make combos. We don't have to. I want to make combos work. It is not a 5.3 unbound bug. It's even stupider because it's not a bug. It's stupider because it's not a bug in 5.3. It's just how things work for stupid reason. 5.4 seems to no longer have that. So, yeah. Discord's list in the description. All right, so I think it's a feature. When I'm like, are you practicing? It worked. Okay, let me explain. There you go, Benji. Look, I know my BCG. Let me here, I'll show you. Sure, I'll open the old building tutorial. I'll load that in because it's still in 5.3, so I can show you. It's not a bug. But I need to load up 5.3 to show. There's a reason I dedicated an entire YouTube channel to PCG. This is gonna be good. Grab popcorn. Okay. Hey, look, there's my 5.3 PCG building. So, in 5.3, right? You have all this, but you also have landscape data, right? But all this doesn't matter. What matters is this projection node. Oh no, it is the same here. Wait. No. Hold on. The thing that I was thinking it was is not it. Hold on. It's great that it worked. But I was thinking of the Ray hit query. This is the one I was thinking of. See how this has values here? That doesn't happen from you. Hold on. Let me do a quick test. I need new open world, fine. Right, that works. Still projects. Is there a limit to the projection height? No. Yes, there's a limit to the projection height. The other question then I have is, can I put the landscape in the air? No, we're still fine. There is a limit to how far it can project. But it doesn't seem like it matters where the landscape itself is. In World Array Hit Query is the one I was thinking of, not the projection node. Yeah, it still works. But there's a max range. So here, I mean, while I'm here, I can show you this. The World Ray Hit Query, not you. has a ray origin at 000 and projects downwards 10, like 100,000, whatever. So if you have something below origin, then it'll work. But if you have something in the air, this won't work. You have to override the position, and this is at absolute position. This is not per object position. It's super annoying. You could set it to be based off the actor, but you have to get the actor information. There's ways of doing it. It's odd that it wasn't working for you unless you move the landscape down. It might be that you needed to move the PCG down and it was too high. In here, in 5.4, World Ray Hit Query no longer has those parameters. So I think it's actually working based on location now. We created last year, it was 4,200. You set it to 0 and it didn't work. It was until I set it to the original 100, like in your test level. Are you talking about scale? You mean you scaled it, like, in the detail panel? It doesn't need to, if you're using a projection, it doesn't need to intersect. It doesn't need to intersect if you're doing, but if your projection is too high off the landscape, then it won't project far enough. You need to move it a little lower. But that's all. You shouldn't need to move the landscape, but the projection might, the thing it's projection from might be too far. Yeah, projection has a limit, has a range. You can't put it like 100,000 units in the air until it's a projectile landscape down like 100,000 units down. It won't reach. So there is a limit. Like to sample your geometry environment and auto drain a rim around the edges from a set static mesh. That ain't happening. Can't do that. Not automatically. You can create manually create those points and then use those as sockets and use sockets effectively to do that or to place that. But you can't convert, like, here, I'll pull this up in stream. It's unfortunate, but yeah, we can't isolate this. You can isolate all of the points. Actually, you could do this. I think you could do this. What you would need to do is do a mesh set is it point for mesh? Point for mesh. So you do point for mesh. You type in, like, let's say we want a cube, right? If I debug this, there's my point, right? Let's do I want to also change the extents absolute. Oh, but this gives you 1 point. I'd need not this one. Mesh to point. Mesh sampler? Wait, what? Deprecated. You replace with mesh sampler node. There's no mesh sampler node. Epic? What is this shit? What do you mean replace with a mesh sampler node when it doesn't exist? It's a feature. There is a way of doing it. We're getting new nodes at 5.5. Yeah, probably. We are definitely getting new stuff at 5.5. There is a way to do it. I made a video on it in the previous version of how to do it. I need plugins. I think I need this one. Here, I'll do this real quick. Yes, we want that. Restart. Because it's not part of the default ones, if I recall. Why? I don't know. Don't ask such questions. Oh, where's the... Oh, did I not save the darn thing? No. Hold on. No. No. They moved it / removed it. And I don't know why. What I'm talking about, let me see if I can find it here. Oh. Go to my own video. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this is my own. Welcome to my own video. What I want to do is mesh sampler. It's right there. Yeah, they tell me to use the mesh sampler node. Where the shit is it? Did I not? Oh, did I not turn on geometry? Hold on. Did I not turn on the geometry script one? Hold on. No, I turned on the right one because they added. Sure, save. Self-sponsorship. You like it, Picasso? I turned on the wrong one. There's the mesh sampler. Okay. So here let's get the cube. I don't know why that you have to like do that. 1 point per vertex is what you'd want. Debug. Excuse me. Where is it? Excuse me? the hell is it? Well, clearly they've changed things. I don't know why they've changed things. Ah, there it is. The points are just really tiny. I take it back. Jesus Christ. So you would need to do this. Hold on, let me change this to extends to absolute points, you know. There you go. So the problem with this, actually let's use a sphere. Point one, point oh. So there you go. So once you have this, right, then you can filter it using normal to density, and then a density filter. And then here you can change it to a cube. And then you only get the top ones. And that gets you this result. Mesh sampler into normal to density, into density filter, gets you the result. Ta-da! God damn it. That gets you exactly, but you need to have vertices here. This has to be your like actual vertex information. If this is not your vertex information, then you can do a different method, essentially. Oh, you don't know how to get rid of the middle points. Yes, because those will also happen. That is a great question that I don't have an answer to right now. What I would do is I would have a mesh without the middle points. What I mean is, right now you have this like subdivided. What I would do is for the mesh that is being like spawning it, what you can do is just instead of having the divisions here, right, instead of all this, just all the way through, you know, like this. Make sure that it's all triangulated, by the way. But you just want to have it right all the way through. So that way, the only points that exist, none of them exist in the middle. Now, for your actual like navigation, if you want to have like a dip here, and you know, you're fine. You could have like dips and whatever is just for the specifically, for the one that you want just the chorus. Just make sure you have no topology in the middle. There's probably a way of getting rid of the ones in the middle, but I don't know an easy way from the top of my head, at least. But if you do that, if you just stop, if you don't have it, and again, you don't, in your actual mesh that you're using in the world, keep doing what you're doing. But for the one where you're getting the points from, right, then just don't do one with these. Yeah. Hope that helped. Cook for you right now? Nice. Just in time, you finish your popcorn? Nice. I bought like a big thing of popcorn actually. Hold on, let me actually open it. Be right back. I didn't want to dox myself, so I couldn't give you a thing. One more, thank you so much for the 30 sec. I don't know what that currency is, but I really appreciate it. I couldn't give you the unboxing experience because I don't want to dox myself, but it just came in. It's Swedish, got it. A giant thing of kernels for popcorn. And my that's good popcorn too, yeah. And my what's it called? Popcorn maker is coming tomorrow. I ordered one on Amazon. Because I don't have like a good way of making popcorn. If I want to make popcorn. So I just bought one. It wasn't expensive, so I'm like, eh. Why not? Okay. So back to this. You got a mini popcorn popper in the other room too. Nice. Popcorn is fantastic. It's like just volume food. Popcorn whenever you please. Yeah. Okay. I've been doing reset comp. Yeah, this is correct. What I'm gonna do is, if combo triggered, and I'm gonna add another input here. And this is gonna be AI. Not Boolean. And then here, it's AI controlled. I might need to also... Yeah, I also need to then increment... attack combo. Oh, but I need to do that first. It's fine afterwards. Should be fine. For test. No, still not. Why? Is it also having trouble with you? Oh, what? Wait, why are you not triggering it? Wait. Increment attack combo. Oh, because combo's not triggered. Or Boolean. AI trolled. Okay. Oh, I need to turn. Is this 2? Why is it 2? Am I having the same bug with you?
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
You have 3. Why are you saying 2? Why doesn't it read the array properly? You're literally watching Monday Night Football on my stream and I forgot you had Unreal Engine open. That's some multitasking, my good sir there. That's some decent multitasking. Now it's a 0. What? Is it 1 off every time? Oh wait, did I get length or did I get? Am I printing length? Was I just stupid and I just printed length? No, I'm printing last. Oh, last index. Yep. It's printing last index, not length. That's why it's -1. I thought it was printing length. It's correct. It's correct. I'm the stupid one. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So this is working correctly. So then why? Okay, let's do a print string on attack index then. Actually here. So the attack index is getting reset, right? 0, 0. Yeah, getting reset. It should not go here. Oh, it does. Oh, I think wrong thing. Or Boolean. Yeah, if it's area control, then you do want to go here. Yeah, there's two. There's the last one, and you should go back to the first one. Oh. Is he not going back to the first one? No, he stopped printing attack index. Why is he stop after 3 attacks? Is this technically visual coding? Yes. You're so lost watching this, but trying to understand what's going on within each node? Yeah, this is basically visual coding. Oh, I know. It's because I'm never returning the attack tokens, and he's running out of them because I have 3 right now. This is just testing. That's why I only have 3 attack tokens. He can't attack me more than 3 times. At this level, it gets nearly as complicated. It's all about how do you digest your code. Yeah. Yeah, so this seems like it's working now. There's the third one. He's going to go back to the first attack. Okay, so it's working. Okay. Now I also need to... Okay. Now let's do this. Just this. Bit buggy there, but it is doing all of them in succession. Okay. So if I want to do this, basically what we need to do is when the animation finishes, I need to do a call. I need an event dispatcher on attack animation finishing. Attack animation finished. Call. And now what we can do is here. We want to do this. This. Bind event to attack animation finished. Custom event. Finish execute, which involves no longer having a delay. This is gonna be true. And then return the attack token, set it to false, and finish execute. See around Benji, it was super lost too. Didn't understand a single thing that was happening, but with more exposure, it starts clicking. You don't understand 80% of it, but you're just learning. I mean, you guys can just ask me. Right? I can explain, like, all of it. There we go. So that's one attack. And he's going to do the next one, which is the backhand. And now he's going to go back, and now he's going to do another one, and then he's going to spin. So now he does all three in succession. What's the green box do? Okay, you have to be a little more specific than that. Which green box, where, on what screen, etc. Gotta be a little more specific. Okay, so this means I do in order. I might want to not do in order. But if I don't want to do in order, I just don't have this, and he'll always do the first one. Right? Yes. If I want to always be random, set attack index. Let's do a manual test right now. Random integer 3. Okay, back one. Back one again. Oh, there we go. That's a different one. Okay, so now it's doing random. Okay. Yep, it's doing random. So what we can do is we can create a custom instead of increment attack combo. I can do custom event, set random attack combo, and we just need this. Let's get the length. And then we need a random integer. And then we need to set attack index. Have you ever worked on interactions for the game? You mean like environmental interactions? No, not yet. I want to get the actual like full game working, and then I can add like walls that get destroyed or whatever else. Unless you mean something else. Like I have where I can do pickups, and that's interacting with things in the world, but I don't think that's what you mean. Set a random attack. If we did this, then he should do random ones. That was a regular one. Yep, that's a spin. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I don't have any like pillars to be destroyed or anything like that. No. It's good you can learn when I get to that. Yeah. It probably won't be for a while because I want to make sure like the game plays fine before I go into like world modifying stuff, right? Like things like I'd like to do is like what are those things that you touch and they give you a buff temporarily that are like Diablo with Path of Exile, and I'm blanking because my mind is gone. Those things. Yeah. I want to destroy walls from some enemies or some attacks. Yeah. There's a few things I want. Not power-ups. You interact with them, they give you a temporary power-up that's really good, and it goes away after a certain amount of time. I forget what they're called. I can't believe I'm blanking on that. But it's late. And so my brain ain't functioning. Special drug meds? No. 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 It's okay. It's okay. It'll come to me eventually, or I'll forget entirely. One of the two. What I want to do is random attack or combo attack. Or not combo attack, it's sequenced attack. By default, it'll be off. And here, if we go off of sequence attack, if it's sequence attack, then it's gonna do this one. If it's not a sequence, it's this one. This. Yeah, we're doing either a random attack or a manual. So if I want to now, if we go to his behavior tree, which is the melee, default melee one. Here we have sequenced attack. So right now it's not on, which means when he attacks us, he will do a random attack. He does a over, back, over again. Right, so it's now doing random ones. Over again. Over again. Yeah, you do a lot of overs. You have 1 in 3 chance. Come on. He never did the spinning attack. I want him to do the spinning attack just once. Just to make sure it's working. There we go. Finally. But if I turn on sequence attack, then he's going to do them in order. He's going to do that one, then he's going to go to the back one, and then the spin one. There's the back. And then the spin. Perfect. What in Great Depression was that tree? This one? It's a small tree. Small tree. I don't need that. Don't need that. Yeah, don't worry about it. And don't worry about that these are also trees within trees. Just don't think about them. Just don't think about them. But now we have the ability for AI to do an attack in succession and not in succession. More black magic. Now it never ends. Now, if I want to, let's see if I did this. Right, 1, 2, 3, all in sequence attack. I'm gonna do this one, then immediately do that one, and immediately do that one. There's still the pause between the hits. It's still a pause attack, but if I don't set it, he's gonna do that, then immediately that, and then not have any pauses. So you do 1, 2, 3, 1. He tries to get closer to me first without doing the jump attacks. Not quite as good. I might want to do a different thing to do, like, if I say it's part of the reason he does that is as the AI move to, I can do a no move. And if it's no move, then it's not going to do this move. So now, if I did on these no move, do that, and then that all together. But I don't like that. What I don't like is the fact that we're doing it through 3 nodes. I want it to happen automatically on a single node, however many times it needs to happen. So they don't exist for you, so you should not worry about them. It's not even real. Yeah, exactly. Don't think about the monsters in your closet or the monsters under your bed. They're not real, so you don't need to worry about them. Just like the Easter Bunny or Santa Claus. I mean, what? That no mode tick mark is basically saying complete all your combo attacks without moving back and resetting. So the moving is to like move into position, into like get into position. This tells me don't get into position, just attack from where you are. Don't move. Well, it's not real. Nothing is real. Hey, Warden, welcome in. Dear version ears. Yeah, nothing is real. Yeah. I mean, how do you even define real? Define real for me. You can't. You can't. I mean, like if you look at the dictionary, right? You know, you'd find this: actually existing as a thing or occurring in fact, not imagined or supposed. But how do you prove that something's actually existing? Doesn't say like it has to actually exist. How do you prove something exists? Is it something you can touch? Well, you can't touch many things that exist. What's it saying? Just a brain floating. If I was a brain, I'd be like itsy bitsy bitsy, like one cell, or one brain cell. The more you believe, the more it's real. Is it though? Tell my spaghetti monster god that he isn't real. Watch what happens. I mean, you're flying spaghetti monster. Don't forget he can fly. You know? For those that don't know about the greatest creature known in mankind, here's the flying spaghetti monster. Right? He was, you know, painted in the past. Depends on how you look at him. These could be two giant boobs. Yes. But, you know, we don't talk about that. We don't say flying disease, it diminishes his assertion. Hey, Mediocrity, welcome in. The feeling what you get when you're banging your head against the wall for 3 weeks trying to figure out how to do something in Unreal, then one day you just figure it out. That's a great feeling when you figure it out, and I know exactly that feeling. I do that all the time. Hey, Hyperion's live, welcome in. How's it going? You guys doing well? Okay, what I want to do is this system multiple times, based on how many times we need to do the combo. So, oh no. So. I need a... Hey, holy crap, welcome in. A very quick end today because you need to take the kid to sport. All good. The Mona Lisa wishes she was as beautiful as the flying spaghetti monster. That is the most artistic art of the history of art. Yep. Absolutely. Damn straight. Okay, let's do combo attack. And I'm gonna do a... So we're gonna do this once. When it's done, is gonna check if combo attack is false. If it's false, then it just does this and we're done. If it's true, then we need a current attack index. So here's what we can do. First, I don't want to do either one of these.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Yep. SM. Spaghetti Monster is the only thing that's free. We will all witness greatness of the stream today. Praise thee and bless this stream in the name of the Spaghetti Monster, our true and only overlord. None can challenge his truth. I didn't know there were so many followers for the Spaghetti Monsters here. The last time, I mean, really, it was in high school. My chemistry teacher was a big proponent of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. That's really when I was indoctrinated, I guess you could say, into the cult. You all are scaring me. Italian fear instigated. Oh, do you not know the Flying Spaghetti Monsters, holy crab? Do you not know about the Flying Spaghetti Monster? It's the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Look at him, shining his light upon us from above. All hail the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Our Lord and Savior. Yep. What I want to do is, if I want to do battle drums intensify, yes. So it has to be a sequence attack. If I do set attack index to 0 here, it will always do 0, right? No matter what I do here. Even though I have a sequence attack on, I'm pretty sure. Yes. Hey, Warden, welcome in. Do you know Rocco's Basilisk? Oh man, that sounds so familiar. No. I know basilisks, but I don't know specifically what Rocco's Basilisk is. I thought I might have. I thought I might have heard it. Maybe I've heard the term before. But that's it. Spaghetti Monster is friends with Cthulhu, as we are cool with him too. Oh, is Rocco's yeah, the AI thing? Is that the one where like once you know you have to follow it or you die kind of thing because it's an all-knowing AI? Is that what Rocco's Basilisk is? That AI thing? Yeah, I forgot about it until he said AI thing. That sounds correct. Yeah, AI will rule the future. If you don't help it now, you're doomed or something. Yeah. Yeah. I knew about it, but I forgot about it. Okay. So if I did, yeah. So branch, not this. If it's a combo attack, then do once. Set this, then continue. Otherwise, just continue. Actually, no, don't do once. Set it to be the current attack index, which defaults to 0. Oh no, oh no, it's do once, do once. And then if last index last anim index to variable. Overcomplicating this, but if the last index and the current index are equal, then we just exit. Actually, we're just gonna do a, make it a little cleaner. Let's do a not boolean. Just do here. So when they're not equal, I'm gonna say true. I think it's called Unreal Engine. With Unreal, you're doomed no matter what. Far more sinners than Rocco's Basilisk. What I want to know is who's Rocco? Can you see how he did the buffs interaction? What do you mean specifically? Like how I get them or what? If it's not, then we do this again. So if I did a combo attack, let's see if this works. Regular, back, no. Regular, back, So yeah, it's funny. Not quite. When the player steps on a buff, I don't have anything where the player steps on a buff. Oh no, I do. How am I checking for player? On any you just do on any box collision. Right, if I have box collision here, I can do sign component begin overlap. Yeah. So right, so let's say you have an overlap thing, right? You just check if other actor is player controlled. You turn off this. Right here. Other actor. Yet instigator is player controlled. If it is, it's the player. No need to cast, no need to do anything. Then your begin overlap happens only if it's the player is the one overlapping it. Doesn't matter what they're possessing, if it's the player, then you're good. That's all. You're wondering the customizable interaction plugin? Oh, I saw that. It's like stuff like that is okay, but like that's not hard to implement yourself. And I feel like that's better because if you don't implement it yourself, now you're bound to that plugin for very basic interaction stuff. As in, if you want to update your you go from like 5.4 to 5.5 when it comes out, you need to wait for the plugin to update. And now you're bound by the plugin and things, right? Interaction is not hard to do. So I would personally just do interaction. If it's something complex that you're willing to like wait for the plugin for, then yeah. But yeah, just keep that in mind. So what's the problem here? Oh, I also need, oh, you know what I need to do? I need to unbind, probably. Unbind, is that all that I need to do? Do I need to unbind it? Regular. Back. It did back again. And then spin. Why? Why does it do back twice? Oh, hold on. I'm not actually incrementing current attack index. How is it? First of all, that wasn't working. You know what? I'll just, to make sure that this works correctly, I'll just do it properly. If this is equal, then we stop. Otherwise, we continue. Why did it stop? What is going on there? It's spazzing out. I might, I might need to turn off the pause attack no matter what. First. Because I don't want him doing like jump attacks. Some asks by wondering on the custom. Yeah. Using interfaces and widgets for interaction currently, find it hard only because you don't really know get how interfaces work. Interfaces are casts that aren't tied to a specific thing. If you understand how casts work, interfaces are basically minus the thing that is tying it together. That's a very vague description, I know. Oh, it's because I'm incrementing before I check. So let me just, yeah, let's add an index. This one, because I'm incrementing it. Oh, actually, no. Let's not increment it there. Let's check it here. Oh no, I do need to. Yeah, I do need to do the check here before I do this, because if I did this afterwards, then yeah. So 1, 2. That was wrong. Why? Why is it? Why? Get attack index. Zero. 1. 1. But it's not incrementing. It's not resetting it either. So that's odd. 1. Okay, it is saying 2. I should make it enum. So a drop, and I should make it a drop down. What I can do instead is current attack index. I'm going to change this to an enum in a bit. We're making this current attack index. When it's done, it increments it. Then checks it. And then here, I'm going to bypass this for this test. Okay, that was correct. So we can do that. So what I need to do is I need a like an enum. Yeah, that's what I need. An enum. Okay. I don't know. AI attack type. Is that what I want to call it? Basically, I want to put in sequence. Or I guess they only have sequence or combo. But I mean, I still prefer that. Sequence. Oh, and random. So random attack. Sequence attack. Combo attack. And now here I can add attack type. AI attack type. That's going to be exposed. So I'm no longer going to need the sequence attack or the combo attack. So here I can do a little switch. So if it's a combo attack, it's going to do this. If it's a sequence attack or a random attack, it's going to continue. Then here, actually, it's a better way of doing this. Instead of switch, if this is equal to combo attack. We do this, otherwise we continue. And then we do the same thing here, but if it's equal to sequence attack, then we do this, otherwise we continue. Basically, this just removes the bools and puts them into a brand and do this. So now we can kill a sequence attack and kill combo attack. Oh, no, I can't kill combo attack yet. Oh. Combo attack. True. False. Right, now can we kill combo attack? Or are we still using this? Oh, I just have an extra floating guy. Combo attack is gone. And now we need yeah, then we're good. You gotta go? No worries, Holocrab. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good one. So now we have this drop down, which is awesome. Let's move that. Maybe here. Oh. Where does the jump to target blackboard? Why is that there? All the blackboard stuff should be there. Oh, I'm not using that. Okay. Reorder that. Jump to attack target. What does this do? Oh, I set the variable to jump to attack target. And no. Okay. Spaghetti Lord bless you, holy crap. Yes. Yes. So now what we have is the option for a random attack. So he's going to do his jump attacks, but he's going to be random. Like which one he does. He did a overhand, spin one. So there we go. So he's doing a random one in this mode. Yeah. Then if we change from random to sequence, then he's still going to do one attack at a time. He's going to do first that one, and then next time he attacks, he's going to do the back one. Next time he attacks, he's going to do the spin one. And then he's going to go back to the first one. Excellent. And if we do combo, then he's going to do one jump two. He's going to jump to you once, and then he's going to do a second, and then a third. Excellent. Now, what I want to see also is when he does this. Oh, what happened? Oh, did I not return the attack token? Or am I getting more attack tokens than I should? No. Oh, well, I should not be getting return attack tokens this many times. That shouldn't be there. That should be here. So why did he stop attacking me there? He did the combo, like 1, 2, 3. So he's failing somewhere. Now he's failing somewhere. So where would he be failing? Here. I should still have attack tokens, so I should never run out with you. True. Okay, so it is succeeding. Um. Here, let's find where we're failing here. Okay. Are we making it to here the second time around? Yes. Oh, I know why. It's because the last right when we do this, when we I need to reset I need to reset this. Because otherwise the although it should have reset.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Yeah, it should have reset. It's odd that it didn't. Let's see if that was the problem. I don't think that should be the problem. No, that wasn't the problem. Okay, well, after the ads are over, we'll see what the problem is. Something tells me it's something to do with this. I say after the ads are over, but I quickly just looked at it. I don't think this is the. It's I'm fine testing this. Right now, 3. Ah, it is 3. Because it maintains the thing. Okay, so I do need to reset it. I'm being bad. I'm doing this during an ad break. Being bad. But this didn't work before. Why is it still 3? Oh, I'm setting the wrong thing. I figured it out. Well, I use my ad break for this, but the reason this isn't working is because I'm setting the character's information. I need to set the current attack index to 0 once I'm done. Otherwise, it may... I thought it would get reset every time it went through this loop. Like every time it triggered this, but apparently those variables save in between sessions or in between attempts. So now 0, 1, 2, and now I should do the same thing again and should actually attack. There we go. 0, 1. There we go. So now all 3 types are now working. Excellent. Very nice. So now we have here. So now we have the combo attack, the sequence attack, and the random attack all working. If I want to not move, we can try not move. And he's yeah, not move is bad. Let's remove him. Right, that's important. It was fine when we were doing the other way of doing it, but now that I'm doing it proper with everything else, yeah, that kind of breaks things. Let's remove no move. But if I want to jump to target is false. Am I using this anywhere? I might not be using this anywhere. I can see. The enemy, I believe it is. Jump to attack target. Pause attack. And I'm using all of that. I don't think I'm using that. Let's find out. Can I just remove it? If I don't set that. Are you still going to function? Yeah, you are. Yeah. I don't see any reason to keep it then. The only thing is... So I'm removing that. Do I need it in the blackboard then? Probably not. Or jump to attack target. No complaints anywhere. I see no complaints anywhere. This is fantastic. Okay. So things are looking good and working good. We no longer need the sprint string. Yay! So we got all systems working. View over here. So now, if I want to, right, we can have the combo. We have the attack cost. Ah, that's why he's not. Oh, did I delete the wrong thing? No, I need the jump to target. Which one was the one I want to delete? Here. Jump to target blackboard. This one. Why was I trying to set it to as bool? What was going on there? I don't know what I was doing there, but there we go. So he's still doing his still jump towards me. Okay. I guess I'll simplify that. Sound seems good. Don't need that. Okay. I don't think I need this owner controller. I don't think I'm using that anywhere. Am I? Oh, I am, because I need the clear focus and all that. That's why I'm using it. I'm using the pawn. Yes. Yes, because I'm doing... Okay. I'm using interfaces. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is a better way of doing it than... That's what I should do. I should get all that information onto a blueprint interface. How would I get the... What do I need? I would need attack indexes. I need to put like attack combo. I need to put all of this on blueprint interfaces, and I really don't want to. It's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Don't know how you got it, but you did it to fry my brain. You weren't even working on it. Yeah. All good. I can explain all of it. Just let me know if there's something specific you want me to explain. But yeah, we got the all types of attacks. And if I want to, I can now do like in sequence. Like I can do like a random attack. And then like a combo attack. Combo attack. In sequence. So he's going to do a random one, which is like that one. And then he's going to do a combo one. The main thing is this is now using the same combo system that my attacks is using. I didn't need to... and that's what this whole rework is all about. My player and all enemies have the same parent. So this is the one blueprint that controls everything downwards. Then I have my blueprint for my player, and then I have the parent blueprint for all the enemies. So if it's enemy specific, I put it in here. If it's me specific, I put it in here. And if it's I want it on both, then it goes onto the main parent. So for example, the combo system, I added for myself, but the plan was always to have it also potentially for the enemies, which is why I put it on the main full parent. So that way, yeah, I can have full control over like combo systems and how that works. The only thing we have to do is add like an AI override, basically. But that works lovely. What I can do to make my life even easier is remove this AI controlled override and just set AI controlled on enemies. And use that, but then I don't have access to that variable here, so nah. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. I can add it. I can have it checked on. Or I might make it reverse. The default's turned on. That is details. Those are the little details. The main thing is it's all working. Hey, Surmrun, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. But yeah, I think this is a decent stopping point. Because a lot of you guys have stuck around here through the raid. Let's find someone else to raid. If you have suggestions on who to go next, I'd love to hear it. Any suggestions are welcome on who to raid. Other than that, if you're new here and you've enjoyed the stream, I would love to hit the follow button. Mean a lot. Otherwise, let's see who's doing some anyone doing Unreal. Let's see. Let's see if I can find anyone doing Unreal. If I can't, then I can't. Oh! I found someone doing Unreal. But I don't think they have they don't have any mic or anything. So, okay, well, anyone else? Oh, there I am. I'm gonna read myself. Let's see. Oh. I found an Unreal person. Okay. Let's try it. Can you from here? Yeah! I think it's working. Just double check that it's working. Yeah, okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Back tomorrow, 6:30 Pacific. Go enjoy the new channel, and yeah, we'll continue from tomorrow working on more like AI balancing and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for joining, and till next time, take care. Bye bye.